in the foothills of the Italian Alps, in a fairy tale garden, in a tiny village, on the side of a hill, lives a master pizza maker.
So pizza is something curious. Everything you change, in the end, the taste of pizza change. So it's incredible. If you use a resin wood, of course, pizza takes smell of resin. If you use oak, take another perfume. The temperature must be 350-400 degrees Celsius. That's to have a very fast and good pizza. Pizza doesn't need long time to be cooked, just 2-3 minutes, no more. And that's indispensable to have a good result. Okay. In 1 hour we get 400. So now I got a couple of things to do. Okay, we prepare. This is fantastic. Mutti, it's Italian. Good advertisement for Mutti. I use quantity of every single cheese. This is scamorza affumicata. It's smoked cheese, gorgonzola, fontina, mozzarella di bufala. It's very important. Take away the water. If it's too wet, pizza is not possible to put on a heaven di grano duro, and this is perfect for the heaven because it don't burn. It's a different flour from the white one. It's very important to use it when you put the pizza on a pala. Now we need flame. It's one of the secrets I've learned in Napoli. Pizza need big hot and big flame because when it's very hot, the surface cook from
From the bottom up.
From the bottom, and the flame cook from the
top.
bottom.
So where does the pizza go?
We move the wood and we clean the surface. That surface is very hot, 300 degrees, and in a sides of the oven we have the fire. When you have that two things, big hot on the top and flame on the bottom, that's perfect for pizza. We have the dough. This is made 24/4. I make it with Manitoba integrale, and Italian flour, very good.
It smells wonderful.
Because no chemical inside, and this is very important to have a light pizza. You can eat all pizza you want.
We can eat all the pizza we want.
It's not easy to find it. It's not easy to prepare it. It takes time. It takes time and passion. Okay, now we take one. You don't have to push a lot, just only a few seconds. When you have like this, you have to stay very careful to don't make a hole on a surface. You don't have to have too much flour on the bottom. Just what's necessary to move it. Okay, look it. This is a problem. We have an hole, and to repair it, you can do this. Voila, done. It must be repaired because when you are inside, everything can broke, so it can be a problem. It must be perfect. Done. It has to move like this. Now we prepare the oven. Okay, we move. First of all, we move the wood. Look at the star on the bottom. It means you have the right temperature. We clean metal brush. We clean the surface. In the tomato, you have to run. You have only few seconds. The pasta becoming wet, and if it becoming wet, it's not possible to take it off. This is a simple margarita. 3 different kind of cheese. Everything must be very clean. No water around. Every drop of water gives you a problem. Voila. 2 minutes, ready. Remove it. We turn it. This side is ready. You check on the bottom when it's cooking. So not only the top, but also the bottom.
You really have to watch it the whole
5-10 seconds could be too much. When on the bottom is perfect cook and on the top is not cooked enough, you can do this to take the flame. Now we have 2 small pieces of wood inside, and we take off. That's happened because the fire, the wood, what do you say?
pops. Yeah.
Pops, exactly. This is with pesto and stracchino. Yeah, it's special. Ready, steady, go. If you are an amateur like me, you're going to choose the best quality of material to put in. And sometimes pizzeria don't use a pesto like this. This pesto we have made it from the basil from our garden. So we look at many particular things. So it's rare to find it in a pizzeria. Wait. That's
Visualizzazione.
stracchino. Now we make a cheese and pear pizza. Cheese from the cow on the mountain, the smoked cheese, mozzarella, gorgonzola. The best of the pizza that you can make what you want. American Wave is using pineapple.
We don't believe in this.
No, please. This is a crime. Okay, now it's ready.
Basilico.